No mfethu usoyithintile la. Isihloko sanamhlanje sithi learn to receive the light. Okusho ukuthi asifundeni ukwamukela ukukhanya, Ngibese ngifaka isihlokwana ke lapha esikhuluma ngamakhandlela asebumnyameni. Uma ngiyibuka njengomuntu wenza motivation, enye izinto engigqamela kakhulu ukuthi umsebenzi wami omkhulu kuukuthi ngikhulume namakhandlela, ngiwatshele ukuthi njengoba amakhandlela adalelwa ukukhanya. Yona into engispecialize kuyo kakhulu le ngihlezi ngikhuluma namakhandlela ngiwatshela ukuthi adalelwa ukukhanya. But what I've noticed ukuthi every time ngikhuluma nabantu ngibatshena ukuthi badalelwa ukukhanya futhi ba amakhandlela, iresponse enkulu kuba ukuthi yazi mfethu sengina 20 years ngikulobu ubunyama lobu, because of experience umuntu adlule kuyo noma ubunzima noma ubumnyama akubo, umuntu uyithole seyibukela phansi engakholwa ukuthi kuye kukhona ukukhanya. Abanye abantu bayakudismiss ukukhanya ngenxa yokuthi bahlale kakhulu ebumnyameni. Ngicela ukudlula la ngize ephuzwini elibalekile engilithandayo. Khona iverse lapha kuJohn 12 elithi until the seed falls into the ground it remains a seed. Lithi leli verse uma imbewu ingawelanga emhlabathini izoqhubeka ibe imbewu. Kodwa uma isiwela emhlabathini yaqhuma ibe isithombo ikhiqiza izithelo. Ngithini ngalokho? Ngithi uma uyikhandlela udalelwe ukukhanya, you will remain ikhandlela until uze wamukele ukukhanya. Uma sikhuluma motivation, sikhuluma amanzi okuphila, sisuke siletha ukukhanya kuwo okuzofanele ukwamukele ukuze ube yilento uNkulunkulu akudalele kuyo. Into efika isilimaze kakhulu iningi lethu, sonke siyawakhumbula amazwi angemahle akhulunywa ngathi, Wonke umuntu kulula ukuthi athi uanti wami wathi angeke ngibe lutho, umkhulu wami wathi, uthisha wami wathi. Kodwa njalo masihleze sithi khona abantu abakhuluma izinto ezinegative ngathi, siyabakhohlwa labo thisha abathi kithi sizoba izinto ezinkulu. Why? Because in us there's this challenge of receiving the light. Sikuthola kulula ukuthi samukele ubumnyama, sihlale kubo nje ubumnyama. Samakhandlela sidalelwe ukukhanya. Into engifuna ukuyisho namhlanje ukuthi it doesn't matter ukuthi uhlale kangakanani ebumnyameni. All I know ukuthi uma udalelwe ukukhanya, you need to receive the light ngobani uyikhandlela. Omunye uzothi yeye I've been applying for jobs angiqashwa. Ngiyangibona mangifunda ama comments. Omunye athi mfethu ngiyayizwa motivation yakho but ngiqede ukufunda 10 years ago angiqashwa. Ngithi mina you are created to be ukukhanya, receive a light. These words sihleze siwakhuluma njalo awukhanya. One iphuzu lami lokugcina, ngihleze ngifonelwa abantu mfethu abareceive ilight ngenxa ukuthi ngathi ngimotivator bayithatha lento bayi-apply empilweni zabo. Abanye mfethu kwamanye ama-province angifonela umuntu athi mfethu namhlanje ngipromotiwe sengikwi-position engaka, ile message yakhe ethile wayikhuluma. Learn to receive the light ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi ukhanye. Le gift uNkulunkulu ayifake kuwe iqhakaza. iBhayibheli lithi God is light. Ngihleze ngithi God is love. Namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi God is light. uNkulunkulu ukukhanya and uzokwazi ukuqhakaza empilweni yakho when you receive him being the light, so that now you'll shine the light. Abukho ubumnyama uNkulunkulu. Laba abahlele ebumnyameni ngenxa yenkinga ezizinhlobonhlobo, ngithi today receive the light. Apply, uvuka ekseni ubheka umsebenzi, you are the light. Uyikhandlela, receive the light. God is light. Amen.